An operator reaches into the front of the vehicle to fix a malfunction, but takes no safety precautions. Just then, the cab suddenly closes, causing a brief moment of panic, but fortunately, nothing serious happens. A momentary lapse in attention can have serious consequences. Who do you think is at fault? The operator, or the design that allowed this situation to occur? A worker trips and falls while walking along the edge of a pool filled with water. Wet floors and narrow spaces increase the risk of losing one's balance. In such areas, pool edges must be covered with non-slip materials. Fortunately, thanks to the workers nearby, he escapes unharmed. This footage captures a sudden and serious workplace accident within a fast-paced service environment. In a cramped bar area, a male employee leans down to retrieve items from a low cabinet, while a colleague moves through the space unaware of the person in their blind spot. Due to a lack of situational awareness, the standing employee accidentally makes heavy contact with the colleague, causing them to strike their head against the sharp cabinetry. To prevent such incidents, active communication is essential. Always use verbal cues like "behind you" or "I'm down low." Employees must check blind spots before moving, and management should consider safe infrastructure, such as rounding sharp corners or installing cushions. Establishing coordinated workflows and staying vigilant are vital to maintaining a safe professional environment. This footage captures a serious warehouse accident where a forklift operator, unable to see an employee kneeling in a blind spot, makes direct contact with them. This incident highlights the extreme risks of working near machinery without proper signaling. To ensure safety, operators must maintain 360-degree awareness, while floor staff must avoid loitering in vehicle paths. Workers should always wear high-visibility vests and use physical barriers or warning signs when performing tasks in high-traffic zones. Proper facility management, including clearly marked pedestrian lanes and forklift-only areas, is essential to prevent zone overlap. Furthermore, establishing protocols like honking at corners and using hand signals for eye contact confirmation can save lives. At a construction site, two workers were passing a heavy cement bag from a higher level to a colleague on the ground. The bag's weight caused the ground-level worker to lose balance and fall while holding it. This incident highlights the importance of using safe lifting and lowering techniques for heavy materials. At an outdoor adventure park, a 33-year-old woman was preparing for a bungee jump. The area was surrounded by staff and everything appeared ready. As she leaped from the platform, something went wrong. The bungee cord connection reportedly came loose, causing her to fall uncontrollably. The event raised serious questions about how vital equipment checks are carried out and how strict safety inspections need to be before every jump. Bungee jumping and other high adrenaline activities depend entirely on equipment reliability and professional setup. Every cord, harness, and anchor point must be inspected not once, but multiple times before each participant jumps. Even a small mechanical or procedural error can create an unsafe condition. Adventure parks should always follow certified safety standards and conduct routine maintenance of their gear. Instructors must ensure participants are securely fastened and all components, including carabiners, cords, and harness locks, are properly attached before giving the signal to jump. A hitchhiker was seen near a busy roadside area where trailers frequently passed by. As one large trailer began to move, the individual attempted to secretly jump onto its rear platform, perhaps hoping to catch a free ride. However, the timing was completely off. As he tried to grab the back of the moving trailer, he lost balance, slipped, and made contact with its tires. The situation quickly turned dangerous, highlighting how unpredictable and unforgiving heavy transport zones can be when safety rules are ignored. This incident demonstrates the critical importance of respecting restricted transport areas and understanding the risks of approaching moving vehicles. Attempting to board or hang on to a moving trailer is not only unsafe, it's illegal in most regions and can have deadly consequences. Public awareness campaigns can also play a vital role in educating people about the dangers of hitchhiking on moving vehicles. For individuals, the key lesson is simple: never attempt to board, touch, or approach a vehicle in motion. The heavy trucks and trailers have large blind spots, unpredictable movement, and significant momentum that can cause severe harm in an instant. At a cargo loading site, two workers were organizing items on the back of a truck. One of them was tossing packages down to the ground one by one, while another worker was arranging some boxes. During one of these throws, the worker failed to notice the passerby, and the cargo made contact with him. Though the impact was not severe, the situation easily could have led to injury or equipment damage. This incident is a clear reminder that even small moments of inattention can create serious risks in shared work environments. In loading zones or warehouse areas, workers often focus on their individual tasks. This video highlights a high-risk incident involving improvised lifting equipment in a confined workspace where an individual uses an uncertified electric hoist to lift heavy machinery. Due to a lack of safety gear and failure to follow standard protocols, the support structure suffers a catastrophic failure under load. The equipment falls freely, narrowly missing the operator while causing significant property damage. To prevent such incidents, never use uncertified pulleys and ensure all machinery undergoes professional maintenance. It is vital to establish a no-go zone, ensuring no one stands beneath a load. Operators must wear full PPE, including hard hats and safety boots, and receive technical training to recognize load limits. The footage captures a high-risk incident in an industrial setting involving a crew moving a heavy load using an overhead crane. Due to a lack of proper coordination and a failure to manage the momentum of the cargo, the load swung unexpectedly, striking the workspace and impacting workers. This incident happened in a split second, proving that minor lapses in operation lead to severe consequences. To prevent this, strict adherence to operating procedures is vital, including pre-operation inspections of cables and load limits. Personnel must maintain a safe perimeter, staying clear of travel paths and blind spots. Effective team coordination with a designated signal person ensures synchronization, while mandatory PPE like hard hats and high-visibility vests remains non-negotiable. Safety is the top priority.